Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Vanakkam. I hope everyone had your safe Diwali feasting on the sweets or dishes prepared at your home or from outside. Actually today, to be frank, I didn't have any topic to update or topic to talk. Then I felt bad that at least I do have few subscribers and let me make a video for them. And suddenly something struck me. So actually today's topic was never in mind. It was not in my mind to discuss about it, not to make a unboxing video of it. But fortunately, it made me to do it actually, because I was impressed with the product so much that I thought I have to share my experiences with my subscribers too. So today we're going to talk about the product CBG 800. It's from Sunsun hang-on filter. You can ask me, it's just like all other filters. What's the specialty in it other than the UV light? Yes, guys, this comes with the UV light, and the power consumption of it is just 5 watts, and the power consumption of the overall filter is 5 watts. So 5 plus 5 is 10 watts. That's a damn cool wattage for the filter of this capacity, because the capacity or filtration rate is 800 liters per hour, and I think it can fit up to, according to specs, it is 75 to 190 liters. I mean 20 to 50 US gallons. That's a big deal at 10 watts, and you also have an option to shut down the UV light. So I thought it is very cool option. So switching off the UV whenever you need it, or whenever there is a bacterial bloom in your aquarium after a huge water changes, UV light plays a vital role to clearing it off very soon, or whenever you need to add fishes very quick, or when you are not sure about your positive bacterial bioload. I think definitely UV light plays a major and vital role at that time. So this is what it struck me. So let us discuss about this product. And I'm sorry, I'm just acting that there's a filter inside. It's actually it's empty. There is no filter inside, because I already installed into my marine project. So after installing it, I came to know about its functionality. It was such a good filtration rate, and the time taken for the bacterial bloom to miss, and it was damn cool, and flow rate and UV switches. I didn't expect setting this in marine tank. We do expect the watts, minute watts and bacteria, which we can see in initially setup stages in any kind of saltwater tank. But to my surprise, I was astonished to see that there was no watts, nothing, and water is crystal clear. Yes, I do definitely will post the video of that in maybe by next week, because the tank is still under cycling. So I definitely wanted to discuss about this filter. So let me finish off the live thing here. So the next segment will be the voiceover, where I have detailed explained about the filtrate cartridges that comes with it. And if you ask me what is this box inside this filter, this comes with the filtrate cartridges, filter media and sponge, everything included in this. And I think it's a very cool option. The price point under the functionality it does. So I'm sorry for acting as the I'm going to go it unbox. Sorry, it is already been unboxed and already running smoothly in my aquarium tank. So I will do the voiceover. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Yes, friends, this is on the substances. This is the filter medias, a pack of carbon with the bag, and 2 small packs of filter media. I do not know whether it is ceramic or any porous material, but definitely it seems like some porous material and not the ceramic rings. I mean, not the ceramic types. And this is the casket which comes along with the this filter. You do get 2 filter caskets like this, and it's very easy mechanism to lock and unlock. And you can see this casket is throughout all the side. There are vents for the water inlet and water outlet. Really, it's very cool looking filter. I didn't expect it to work so beautiful and so efficient. So 2 number of caskets is provided, and then coarse sponge. I think definitely it will be sustained up to 6 months minimum. Such a good quality it is. Okay, let me show you the filter media now. And also, guys, do not expect the filter media to be like in a quantity of 1 kg or 500 gram. They do provide filter media that is sufficient for the gaskets to fill it. Also there are 2 gaskets as I told, so one gasket will be with this porous filter media and another will be with the carbon. You can also do your customization if you have any infrared ceramics, or if you do not want your carbon to be there and you want to use some other filter media. Yes, definitely you can go ahead. Even I did few of the customization, and I'm sorry I couldn't record those stuffs actually. I had used 2 other coarse sponges and infrared ceramics. I do not use carbon. Usually I don't like carbon. Sometimes it gives black stains, so I don't take risk with the carbon stuff. So I did modification. Sorry I couldn't show that to you guys. But I think for the price what we paid, it's definitely very good, and it's very efficient, very good, very cool. And I didn't expect to tank. Tank size is almost 100 liters, and the time taken to filter was very damn cool, and UV is doing its job very well, very well. I do not know how to explain it. Definitely you have to buy it and see it for yourself how efficient it works. Definitely very thumbs up, big thumbs up for Sunsun for creating this Jowsy product. I do accept price range is very high, but I think it's good. This is overall casket. You can see the water flowing out of the pump and entering the filter chambers. You can see the flow rate, it is very high. The flow rate is very high, and as I said, that's the green coarse sponge which I used for the modification, and these are the controller knobs. As you can see, the controller knobs works nice, and also the surface skimmer does its job well. You can see the water, it is very crystal clear. I think, I'm sorry I couldn't, I didn't want to show the actually the main setup of the tank. I wanted to show it in next video, so I'm not showing it actually. But if you see, the water is so crystal clear, so definitely a big thumbs up. That's it guys. I'm sorry for judging that I'm going to unbox this, sorry for that. And thank you for my all the new subscribers. Kindly do like, comment, share if you like the content of this. Take care guys.